Hi, Andrea here. Welcome back to my workshop. It's summer and it's a work time. This is why I haven't published some videos for some time, because it's very high season now. I will give you some updates on the workshop I had and some things I've received, and I have some things for you too for the future. Since you were very active in the comment section in my videos for the giveaways and the other videos, the people that send me tools, they decided to send me a little bit more so I can give them to you. One of those is Bonilla that sent me these circular saws that I made a review before, and he decided to send me a few more for use. These are exceptional quality saws and they make unbelievable, beautiful and very clean cuts. You have to try them to believe them, and the most surprising with them was their sound when cutting. I have never heard so silent blade before. Please keep an eye on that, and when I have the giveaway I will let you know in the videos. You follow me, make sure you're subscribed and put that bell on so you will be notified when the video comes out. Now the next one I got is incredible. It's actually a hand-stitched rasp that is made from Noël Lioguier in France. These are incredible tools that I wished for a long time, and I cannot believe I actually got them in the shop here. I will show you the video on these two, and I prepared not only the review, the simple review for you, but I also will do a little cabinet that I will put them inside. I will give you a preview of that. So this is a one-to-one drawing of the cabinet, and it has this little like vault, and it will be like Victorian. We will add some more details to this, so this is just a simple version of it. I think this will come really nice, and I'm thinking of making it with some black walnut and some oak that I have, some antique oak that I have in the shop. I think you will like really that one. So you may recognize this. This is a Miller's Fall number 2. The drill, that is hand drill, hand operated, has 1 speed, and this is a really beautiful tool. We got it on eBay and we restored it a little bit because it was all rusted and the chuck didn't operate well. But now when it's clean, it works really beautiful, and I'm looking really to show these tools in my videos on how I'm using it. And also I'm looking forward to using it more because it's beautifully balanced and it's very well made. It's incredible that this is more than 60 years old and it works so well. Beautiful tools, without battery, never need to replace anything. So yeah, they should work for another 100 years or so. Well, so this is my channel update for now. The summer is in full turn and I have to work every day, and it's a little bit hard. You can see I changed the colors completely, so I'm now black and white. This is because staying in the sun all day, so I took a little bit of energy to make this video for you. I hope you like it. Please leave me the comment in the description, you know that helps a lot. And if you can, please support me on Patreon. Thank you to my Patreons, it really means a lot, and I hope I will push more videos for you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day and lovely summer too. Thank you, bye bye.